Want to go E85 with your GMC, Silverado, Yukon, Tahoe, Suburban, etc.? We got the kit for you. What's going on, guys? Matt over here, Lethal Garage, and today we are installing flex fuel kits for your GMC trucks, your Chevy trucks, your Yukons, your Suburbans, your Tahoes, but we're gonna show it off on this 2018 1500. So basically, if you have the 5.3 or the 6.2 liter, check out the description. Well, the description's probably above. If it will fit your vehicle, we're gonna walk you through the install. It is literally plug and play on this setup. No cutting fuel lines, no adjusting stuff. This is the most simplistic kit that you can get and be able to get 85, and then you just got to get your vehicle tuned to be able to run the 85. And this is a flex fuel setup, so you'll be able to run regular gas or E85 or even mix the two. Obviously, if you're doing this for power gains, you get the most out of running pure E85. So let's get to the install and walk you through that process. So before we get started with the install, we'll talk about the items in the kit. You're gonna get a GM flex fuel sensor, a GM fuel line, a custom wiring harness, and 4 zip ties. So you guys may have met Mike in previous videos, but this is Mike, Red Barn Racing. He's assisting. On the Chevy 1500, the flex fuel sensor plug-in has a dummy plug in it, and it's just sitting right back here. If you have a GMC truck, it may be on the upper side of the frame rail. They could be in slightly different areas, but the harness that we are providing will be long enough for your application. That being stated, you're gonna be unplugging this main wire harness from the dummy plug and plugging in the actual flex fuel sensor or the harness. So the harness is required because we need to extend where the flex fuel sensor is gonna go. So the harness is literally a direct plug and play. So you unplug it from the dummy plug. So much easier. Oh, God. Oh, I got it. Nice. So the plug could be a little tough to get off, especially if you are an off-road or anything like that, and there's lots of gunk and mud up under there. Just keep that in mind. So depending on how your vehicle is set up, in this instance, Mike is pulling out one of the tree clips just to get a little bit of extension out of the cable so we can zip tie it up out of the way and make it look nice and clean. He's gonna take the harness and plug it right into the factory setup. And you want to make sure that clips right on in. You'll hear that snap. So as you see, we ran the harness along the upper edge of the fuel lines. Again, we are going to zip tie those nice and neat. I'm going to be including those in the Lethal Garage kit. And then now we'll show you where the fuel line's going to connect to. So now we've slid down to the front of the fuel tank, and you can see Mike right now is reaching up for the fuel line. And this is the upper fuel line. It has a blue plastic lock ring.
You're gonna fold both ends of those in and then simply slide that up and put that in. You want to put some pressure on it before you get it all the way out. Otherwise, it does have pressure on it.
So at this point, you now want to get your flex fuel sensor and you'll slide it into the end of the fuel line you just disconnected.
Nice and easy like. Oh, look at that. This side here, you'll take, simply slide that on. And then we can move this back around and put that right into here. Just like so. Now that you've got everything, make sure you hear the nice positive clip whenever you put everything together. That way you're not assured that you'll get fuel spray everywhere.
So you can see now that the hose is plugged in, we have it nice and wrapped around. That's why we chose this hose. It gives you a nice wraparound angles, and the bends on them are nice. And now we're gonna zip tie it up, make it look clean, and the vehicle's ready for the tune. So with our kit, we ended up using 4 zip ties. We did one right above where it originally was connected to on the vehicle. And just a nice clean look along the fuel rails all the way up top. And then you're done. So there you have it. That is a flex fuel kit for the GM trucks slash SUVs, if you want to classify them that way. I call them all trucks, but again, available for the 5.3 and the 6.2 liter, from the 14s to, I guess what they're, I think Chevy's calling them the classics, the the old body style in 19. So those older body styles from 2019 are also covered in these kits. So if you have any questions, post them down below. Hit us up at lethalgarage.com. But until next time, see you on the road.